And action. Today I'm headed to the DJI event where they're going to be revealing something new. Don't know what it is yet. DJI is the company that makes all the drones, kind of like this one.
What'd you say, Jordan?
Sorry.
I'll put it on you. Wait, I'll write it. I'll put it on your first name.
Mike.
Life is big. And there's no better place to illustrate this than here in New York, at Times Square. It's one of the most visited places and anyone who's looking for the simplest way to record anything from the everyday moment to the extra special moments in their life. I'm very proud to show you what we have built. An Osmo that fits in every moment, and an Osmo that is always with you. And an Osmo that fits in your pocket. So please meet the new DJI Osmo Pocket.
This thing is so small.
Such a tiny thing. I figured it out. Intuitive products you have here.
Okay. This goes together. Things come up as I put it in. And now we're going. Whoa. Okay, this thing is dope. Now ready? I'm gonna double tap this. Selfie mode. Wait, it keeps following me. I guess, wait, is it face?
How do you get to turn around?
You hit this this button right here.
Which one?
This top one up there. Yeah. That's the way to do it. Okay. Switch to selfie mode here, and it's good. I mean, I like it. Yeah, I mean, I like it. It looks nice, and it's small.
It's actually kind of cool. Like, let's start this one for example. Like you film something, and then it kind of does that kind of whipping effect. Yeah. So check this out. Okay. It's kind of cool. I mean, it's not like it's going to be the overuse of the zoom in effects. Right, again. But the fact that it shoots on vertical, that's key.
Next, very important, the shake test. So if we get this here, so this is it, up and down, this is how much I can take. It's pretty good. We'll see. So turning, this is big. I'm sorry about that. This is I like this little train thing a lot. This is cool. Times Square out there. The nice thing is that it's a wider angle. So if you're on an iPhone, you kind of pop it on really quick, see what you need to see, and then pop out. Okay, yeah, now that camera's dead, so I'm out of here. think I forgot to film it, but on the way out they gave us a little gift package. So, it's about to turn into a proper unboxing video. DJI approved. Oh, I've got one of these before. It's a backpack. A notepad. The official DJI notes. Wow. This is actually pretty nice. This is like really nice. Thanks, DJI.